Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage a virtual event using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, create a new base on your Airtable workspace. This will serve as the home for all your event details. Think of this step as laying the foundation of your project. It's like building a house. You need to set up a solid base before constructing the rest. Once you've got your base, you're ready to create tables. Each table represents a different aspect of your event: attendees, speakers, sessions, and so forth. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and easy to find. Consider it as assigning rooms in your house for different purposes. Now that we've done that, it's time to fill out your tables with records. Each record is a piece of information related to your event. For example, a record in your attendees table might include their name, email, and ticket type. This helps us because it ensures we have all the necessary details at our fingertips, making the event management process smoother. Next up, it's time to use Airtable's Views feature. Views help you visualize your data in different ways. You can create a calendar view of your sessions or a gallery view of your speakers. This is like choosing the best way to showcase each room in your house, ensuring it's functional and appealing. Finally, don't forget to use Airtable's automation feature. This lets you set up automatic actions based on specific triggers. For instance, you can send a welcome email to a new attendee as soon as their record is added. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is working as your virtual assistant, handling routine tasks so you can focus on the bigger picture. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your virtual event using Airtable. Remember, it's all about setting up a clear structure, keeping your data organized, visualizing your information effectively, and taking advantage of automation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide will make your virtual event management a breeze. Until next time, happy planning.